Hello and blessings. God bless you. So this is the A minor flute, and it's in a pentatonic scale. And I'm going to show you how to play this flute. And if you would like this flute, it's also available at JesusGeneration.tv. We call them the Tribe of Judah flutes because they are made for the praises to Yahweh. All right, so this is the pentatonic scale. And like all the other flutes, you simply cover the holes completely. Make sure you cover it firmly, like this. Not like this, but like this. And make sure that your padded portion of your finger covers, just like all the other flutes I make, okay? Because if you do not, you're going to get squeaks out of the flute. And the scale is in the pentatonic minor, meaning that on this type of scale, you can play it up and down, and it's just going to sound natural. It has the Native American sound because they use this with their flutes as well, but this is a beautiful scale, and I really like it. You can also find your major scales in there. So this will also go with C major because it's A minor. A minor is a natural of the C major, the natural minor. Okay, so you can play in that as well. So I'm going to show you the scale, and I'm going to play it first without reverb. The reverb is the effects that you hear at like a hall, like you get into a beautiful cathedral hall. I'll put that on, and we'll show you how that sounds. Let's show you how that sounds when we get there. Okay, so to play it, start like this, and always start with a light breath. And if you blow too hard, you're going to get the upper note, the octave note. But think of the lowest note, like I always say, it's like landing the airplane. When you land the airplane, at the moment, at the end, you're going to pull the throttle back down. You're not going to come down full throttle on a landing. You're going to pull the throttle back and land with a soft, gentle landing. And when you want to go up into the air, you want to give it some more throttle. So when you go up into the air, you want to give it more air. You want to push into more air. All right? So this is how it sounds without any reverb. This is just the flute. Okay. To put the vibrato in, it's simply a matter of fluctuation with your breath. Vibrato is the variation in the sound waves that you hear, which is, that's without vibrato. It's straight wind. Vibrato is when we just go and we're emphasizing. It's kind of like that. But you can also do it with a variety of methods. You can put the vibrato in the first of the note or the last part of the note, or you can change the intensity, the depth of like something like that. You can change it so you can greatly manipulate the sound in that way. And that's where the personal character comes out in the music. There's also bending notes on this bamboo flute. It's like a trombone player. When the trombone player plays, he takes the trombone, he brings it up. Well, with the flute, on the bamboo flute, if you go like this and you roll up or off or on, whichever note, you're going to make this bend sound. It's a slight variation, but you're going from that note to the open note, okay? And when you combine these techniques, you get a great way to play the flute. Also, you can do things of, I don't know how else to call them. I call them the whoop notes. You know, it's the last note you're playing, which is like you come down the scale. Traditionally, it will go just quickly releasing a note above. I could do it with this. Just sounds a little more better to my ears to release up here. And it's just kind of adding that flair, you know, the style that you want to put into it. Now, there is also, you can do a growl in the flute. We'll call that just like a gurgle. Okay, that's a technique you can do. And really, that's really the simplest part of playing these flute. Very easy, very simple, very straightforward. Does take practice. I do say it's easy. It is easy because if you have breath, you can praise the Lord with this flute. And but it does take a practice. You just need to take a go. I would encourage you to start all holes open and go down. Now on this flute, we can go all the way up and find that note, but there's another note, which is here. Top and bottom open. I like that whoop. I always do it. All right, let's put some reverb on this microphone so you can hear how it sounds with some reverb. And that way you can understand how it might sound when you're in a hallway playing. Tribe of Judah bamboo flutes, available at jesusgeneration.tv. Leave a comment in the video if you've got questions. God bless you, and you are loved by Jesus Christ, the Lord of all.